This is a basic operation overview for the HyFlex spray buddy. For more detailed information, please refer to the owner's manual for the specific material you are wanting to apply. To start the operation of the pump, first off, the unit has to be plugged in and powered up. In here are the controls. For manual operation at the pump, place it in manual. If you require the sprayer to operate the unit, place it in remote. To stop the unit in manual, it can be stopped at the control panel. Remote will override the start-stop switch and the sprayer will have full control of the unit. The machine only runs in forward. It will not run in reverse in remote. In order to reverse the unit, you have to go to manual, start, and reverse. Manual, start, forward, the unit should now be pumping. We can turn the speed up to the desired speed. A good starting point is 5 on the speed dial. If any time during operation, even if the unit is in remote or manual, the operator at the pump can stop the machine and override the sprayer at the end of the nozzle. The emergency stop switch is designed for emergency purposes only. Do not use this as a start-stop switch. Remember, during operation of the spray buddy, never operate the hopper empty. There should always be water or material in the hopper at all times while it is running. For remote operation on the spray buddy, attach the hose here. This is from your air compressor. This is the outlet hose. This will go to the spray wand. Once the hoses are connected, adjust the pressure to approximately 40 psi. Now this is a fine-tune adjustment, and each sprayer will have to fine-tune the air pressure to their desired setting. Prior to operating the machine, the material hose will have to be attached at the outlet. For more specific operation, please refer to the operator's manual for the spray buddy, because different materials require different startup procedures.